you can't use this one. This is Lisa's. I don't want her to see we have it. 4.5.
Skylar is my best ice cream server, right? But first she gets the birthday song, my birthday song, right? How old? 4 you said? 4.5. Are you 5 yet?
And you know what?
Just 4.5.
Okay.
Here's the song. Happy birthday, baby, whoa. We love you so. It's your birthday. Many happy returns. Happy birthday, Skylar. Forevermore. Well, you're 4 years old and a half, and she's looking like gold. She is the prettiest, the loveliest girl we've ever known. It's your birthday, many happy returns. Happy birthday, Skylar, forevermore. Skylar has the power. 1 second, Miss, excuse me. Who shall be your first customer? Brianna, come on. Where is she? That's her there? Miss Brianna, what do you feel like today? You want soft ice cream, vanilla with sprinkles, or stick ice cream? Did you study, Brianna? What's that? We ran out of Turbo Rocket Screw 1. There's one more we don't have. I forgot. It's a great one. No sticks, just one. How about rainbow? You want the rainbow ice pop?
Rainbow ice pop.
Okay.
Dom, before you leave, we have another birthday at the end. Okay?
Yes.